Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have a new listing, 3,900 square meters, located in Barangay Bugo, Hitapi, Bohol. It's a northern part of Bohol province. The Hitapi has also a seaport going to Cebu, just 1.5 or 2 hours travel to Cebu or Cordoba, Cebu. Actually, this location is the location where the proposed bridge from Cordoba, Cebu to uh, Tehitape is the location. So, kini man kung bugod dapita, mo nigi hugon-hugonan nga gamaan og connection from Hitape to Cordoba, Cebu. Kay kini man gud nga location guys, at bang rani sa Handayan. Then Handayan to Banakon. Banakon, di na Banakon nga has. Next is Santa Rosa or kanang Ulango Island. So sumpay-sumpay kini ang pinakapabor na location. So mo na guys. So parang mahal dapita dia. And very nice. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.